Time makes sense in small pieces. But when you look at huge stretches of time, it's almost impossible to wrap your head around things. So, let's start small with minutes, hours, days. You probably spent the last 24 hours mostly sleeping and working with some coffee in there somewhere. Please watch less TV. Now let's look at 2013. Relatively unnoticed, Hitler's bodyguard died at the age of 96, while in June, Edward Snowden started the NSA scandal. Moving back a bit, the 21st century is still pretty young and largely shaped by the attacks on 9/11 that ultimately led to the Third Iraq War. Farmers became workers, and knowledge became easier to distribute. The theory of evolution changed how we saw ourselves and the world we live in, all in a few hundred years. The 15th century was very eventful. Columbus's discovery of America and the fall of Constantinople marked the end of the Middle Ages. People in the Middle Ages were super into war over territory and religion, but the Black Plague was far more efficient than war, killing every third European in 6 years. Arriving in the Common Era, let's take a look where we came from. Our current century is tiny, and 2013 is barely visible. That's so long that it means a T-Rex that lived 65 million years ago is closer to seeing a live Miley Cyrus concert than to seeing a live Stegosaurus. Animal life on this planet started 600 million years ago. The earliest animals were fish and other small, simple sea creatures. Then came insects, then reptiles, and finally, around 200 million years ago, mammals joined the party. Life itself began much farther back, 3.6 billion years ago. Before any animals appeared, there were 2.4 billion years when life consisted only of tiny microbes, countless single-cell bacteria.